In this video, I'm going to show you how to close a trade on Pocket Option. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to log into your Pocket Option account, and then whenever you actually create a trade over here, so we can open up the trades, you can see your opened and your closed trades. So you can go ahead and select your time when you actually want to essentially buy or sell. So 5 seconds is, of course, the least you can do. I'm going to do 7 seconds for this tutorial. Then you want to click on the amount over here, you want to change it, and then you can click on buy or sell. Of course, I'm going to click on buy for this instance. And then there we go. It's going to basically just take a few seconds. There's the countdown. And then when this comes to 0, your position will basically automatically closed and you've successfully closed a trade. After that, you can of course go ahead and you can click on the sell button and you can then sell. And that way you will essentially be closing your trade and closing your order. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.